In the next 4 minutes, you are going to get a preview of what you can expect when you take the EMC Partner Lab at VMworld. The VMworld hands-on labs are all new this year, and there's over 60 hours of lab content available. Why should you take the EMC Partner Lab, VMworld2013? First, you'll get a sneak peek at the all-new ViPR software-defined storage platform and see how it works firsthand with the vSphere web client. Have you ever had problems with a virtual machine? Using EMC's new vSphere web client integration, restoring a virtual machine back to a working point in time is quick and painless. Ever thought about writing a Puppet module? VMworld2013 provides you the opportunity to get to know Puppet up close and personal. You will have the flexibility to write basic Puppet modules and experiment at your own pace. And once you're ready to move on, you'll experience firsthand how vCenter and VM tools can be used to pass guest facts to a virtual machine. And once you know how to pass these facts to the VM guest, the notion of as a service really begins to morph into reality. You begin to understand how easy it is to incorporate vCenter orchestrator workflows directly into the vSphere web client. And this is where you start to see the lab shift towards total automation. Using these guest facts, you'll see how it's possible to deploy platform as a service using a combination of virtual machine templates, vCenter orchestrator workflows, and a basic Puppet agent. The platform as a service workflow starts out by deploying a base virtual image for Windows or Linux. As part of the workflow, you define the different software modules you want installed for your deployment. The lab has an Apache web server for Linux, a Microsoft SQL Server database for Windows, and of course you'll want to monitor and protect those PaaS deployments, so there's a host of backup options, both agent and image-based, as well as a Hyperic agent that you can choose to deploy. After the base image is online, Puppet goes to work, installing all of the missing software components. So what you see on the screen here is backup information. The virtual machine is using Puppet to validate that it has a current backup, and in this case, initiate one because it doesn't. And finally, you'll have the chance to use Hyperic and monitor the virtual machines that you've deployed. And there is some additional goodness that was custom built to provide detailed Avamar backup and restore statistics directly inside Hyperic. If we've piqued your interest, please stop by the VMworld hands-on labs and grab a seat. When you log in, choose the Partner Labs section and then VMworld2013. The title is EMC Lab using Puppet in the vSphere web client. So thanks for watching. We hope you have a great show this year and enjoy the lab.